Viewer discretion is advised.
Boom, perfect timing.
Officers initiated a traffic stop after a vehicle allegedly ran a stop sign and nearly collided with a patrol car. Samuel Hernequitz was a passenger, not the driver. Officer Justin Graham and Officer Derrick Long made contact with the vehicle. Officers claimed Mr. Hernequitz appeared intoxicated and provided multiple false names when asked for identification. During the stop, officers reported seeing what they believed to be a rifle or long gun inside the vehicle. Based on this, Officer Graham and Officer Long escalated the situation, citing officer safety concerns and ordering Mr. Hernequitz to exit the vehicle. Body cam footage shows Mr. Hernequitz appearing confused and calmly asking the same question over and over, "What did I do wrong?" At no point on video did Officer Graham or Officer Long clearly explain why he's being detained. Instead, the commands continue to escalate. When Mr. Hernequitz does not immediately comply, the situation turns physical. Officer Graham initiates contact, attempting to pull Mr. Hernequitz from the passenger seat, while Officer Long moves in to assist. As the struggle begins, Officer Graham deploys pepper spray directly into Mr. Hernequitz's face, followed by a strike toward his head and neck area, later described as a brachial stun technique. As Mr. Hernequitz remains inside the vehicle, a taser is deployed, attributed to Officer Graham in the lawsuit, to force compliance. Moments later, both Officer Graham and Officer Long drag him out of the car. Once outside, the officers force Mr. Hernequitz face first onto the pavement. One officer places weight on his back, while the other secures his arms.
Highway 28, Tennessee, 078, Bravo Bravo X-ray, Delta. They're right before the hospital up here. Hey guys, how we doing?
Hey, I'm so sorry.
I'm glad I was paying attention because you sure wasn't.
I'm so sorry. I hate driving on the interstate. It makes me nervous, and I still a little jittery. I'm sorry. My registration's in here somewhere.
Okay. So your driver license, registration, insurance, and also your passenger's ID if he's got one on him.
I just had my wallet. I can't find it. The car's registered to me and my mother.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. All right. Does he have his ID?
Sir?
You have your ID on you?
For what?
I'd just like to know who I'm approaching, sir.
My name's Sal.
Do what now? I'm guessing who's been drinking tonight? You been drinking?
I've been drinking.
Okay.
I've not drunk. I don't drink because I've got hypo.
Who's been drinking? Have you been drinking? Has she been drinking? Who's
I've been drinking.
I haven't
Okay, well, you've been drinking. Well, my partner's asking her. So.
I've been drinking.
I've not drank. I
The question is, who's been drinking? Have you been drinking? Has she been drinking? Who's been
I've been
drinking?
drinking, sir.
Okay, well, you've been drinking. Well, my partner was asking her. So, do you have an ID with you, sir?
I do not. No, sir.
Okay, can you have any way to identify yourself, sir?
Yes, sir. Kevin Snyder, Dunlap, Tennessee.
What's your date of birth, sir?
I'm sorry.
What's your date of birth, sir?
I'm gonna be honest with you. No disrespect. I'm gonna say it. I've done nothing wrong.
Yes, sir. You're detained right now with this vehicle right now
For
because
what
this vehicle
reason?
is stopped.
Sir?
So you're in the vehicle. So yes, you have done something wrong right now, sir.
What have I done?
You are part of the vehicle stop. Therefore, you are stopped along with this vehicle. Therefore, you are detained along with this vehicle. You are inside this vehicle. Therefore, I need to know your information, sir. What's your name and date of birth?
My name is Sal Ferencewicz.
No, you told me it was Kevin Souter.
Thomas Austin, Dunlap, Tennessee.
I don't care about Thomas Austin. I know he's an attorney. That means nothing to me. What is your name and date of birth, sir?
Ferencewicz.
No, we're free.
Do what now, sir?
Sir,
I need to know your name and date of birth.
I have done nothing wrong.
Okay, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, sir.
I will not.
Yes, sir. I need you to.
Please, and
You're part of this. You're part of this vehicle. Stop me. Step out of the vehicle for me.
what I do
Go ahead
wrong?
and step on out the car for me, sir.
What I do wrong?
Step out, sir. Sir, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
Sir,
Sir, you need to go ahead and step out of the car for me.
can I ask you a question?
I just told you I need you to step out. You are part of this traffic
I
stop.
don't have an ID.
I have a right to ask you to step out of the
And I
vehicle. I'm
understand.
asking you to step out. Now, you can either step out or I'm going to get you out. Which one do you want to do this?
Please don't do that.
Well, then step out for me, sir.
I'm trying real hard.
Take your
to
seatbelt off and
understand
step outside for me, sir.
That
You are
I'm
part of
trying
this
to understand
traffic
what I
stop,
did
sir.
wrong, sir.
Okay, I'm not going to play this game
Please.
with you.
I'm not.
Go ahead. Step out of the car for me.
Sir, I'm
Sir,
not
step
trying
out.
to play games.
Step out.
Please, sir.
Get out of the car.
Please, sir.
Get out of the
Sir, please. Please, sir.
Get out.
Please, sir.
Get out.
Please, sir.
Get out and cooperate.
Please, sir.
You're
I'm
about to be
trying to
pepper sprayed.
cooperate.
Get out of the car.
I'm
Get out
trying
of the car.
I'm trying.
Get out of the car. Step out.
Please, sir.
Get out of the car.
Please, sir.
Get out of the car.
We
got
got
one
one
more refusing to
to
get
get out of the car.
Please, sir.
Get out.
Please, sir.
Get out.
Please, sir.
Just get out and cooperate.
Please, sir.
You're about to be
trying
pepper
cooperate.
sprayed. Get out of the car.
I'm trying.
Get out of the car.
I'm trying.
Get out of the car.
Did they say
Get out of the car.
get out of the car?
Get out of the car.
I'm trying to cooperate.
Get out
No,
of the
you're
car.
not.
Sir, I've done nothing
Get out of
wrong.
the car.
I've done nothing wrong. Officer, please record this. Please record this. Please record this. Please record this. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Can't see, Derrick.
Officer, I've done nothing wrong.
Just step out, dude.
Sir,
You're making
I've
this a
done
lot
nothing
worse than it has
wrong.
to
I'm not trying to resist.
Yes, you're being
I'm just trying to ask,
uncooperative.
what did I do wrong?
Get out of the car.
What did I do wrong? Sir, please. Sir, please.
Get out. Just get out and be cooperative. This ain't got to be this hard.
I'm asking.
You're making it hard.
I'm not trying to make it hard.
Yeah, you are.
I'm asking, what have I done
Get
wrong?
out.
I'm a passenger in the vehicle. Just pulled over.
Get out of the car.
Officer, please.
Get out of the car.
Officer, please.
Get out of the car.
Officer, please don't.
Get out. I told you 50 times.
I'm a passenger in the vehicle. Just pulled over. Get out of the car. Officer, please don't. Officer, please
Get
don't.
out of the car.
Officer, please don't.
Get out. I told you 50
I'm
times.
trying to
Get
please,
out.
officer, please.
You're part of the traffic stop. I told you.
I'm
You're refusing.
I'm not refusing. Officer, I'm not refusing.
Get out of the car.
Please, don't get my eyes. Please, officer. Officer,
Get out of the car.
please. Please, officer. Please. Officer, please.
Get out of the car.
Just get out.
I'm trying if he'll let me out. Please, get out.
Get out of the car.
He's trying to hurt me.
Get out of the car.
I'm not trying to be a sadistic.
Get on that side, push him out.
Please.
Get out of the vehicle now.
See.
Get
I
out.
can't see, officer.
Get out.
I can't see, officer. Officer, please. Officer, please. Officer, please.
Get out of the car now. Out of the car. I'll tell you again. Get out.
Please stop.
Get out. You're going to tell again. Get out.
No, sir, please. I'll get out. Please.
Get out of the car now.
Officer, please.
Get out.
I'll get out. I'll
Get out.
Get
Get out of the car now.
out.
On your stomach.
On the ground.
Get out of the car now. On your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Please.
twice as hard as you had to.
I wasn't trying to. I'm just trying to.
You always like this? What's the issue? Drinking?
You made that twice as hard as you had to.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to. I'm just trying to find out what I did wrong. What I did wrong.
My partner stopped this vehicle.
Because you always got T-bone somebody wasn't paying attention.
You refused to identify yourself. I asked you to step out of the vehicle. I have the right to ask you to step out. There was a load. There's an AR. There's a weapon in the back of this vehicle. I've asked you to step out of the car. I don't care what it is. A gun. I asked him to step out for my safety. He refused to step out.
I'm sorry. Officer, I had no idea there was a weapon.
There's an assault rifle in the back of this car.
Officer.
That is an officer safety issue.
I did not know.
Now I've been pepper spray trying to deal with you.
Sir, I'm sorry.
You're sorry now because you're going to jail.
I went to go get some Waffle House. I asked him for a ride to Waffle House. That's all I wanted was Waffle.
Well, now you're going to jail. 405 County. For the law, been hands on, OC deployed, taser deployed.
I cannot see you.
All you had to do was cooperate, man.
Brother, I was trying to.
You did not try to cooperate. He stopped you. I told you were stopped with the vehicle. I asked your ID. You refused it. There's a loaded gun in the back seat. Go ahead and get him up. Go over your side. Stand up for me.
I can't see.
But you know
I can't either. I can't see either.
You gonna come up?
Stand up.
Yes, sir. I don't know where I'm going. Please,
The back of one of these cars. When y'all put him in a car,
Understand.
he's got taser darts in him.
I didn't do anything wrong, sir.
You do what the police told you to do.
I can't see, man. So basically, I pull up here to back my partner up. He's got the vehicle stopped. We smoke all come from the vehicle. This guy immediately starts giving an attitude, won't tell who he is. Talking about calling Thomas Sauce and blah, 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 blah. Avoid any conversations. There's a gun in the back seat. You can sit right here at AR. I said, I need you to step out. He said, I don't have to get out. I said, yes, sir, you do. You're for this traffic stop. You're getting out too. I have the right to ask you to for officer safety. He refuses. I give him multiple times. He won't. I take his seatbelt off, try to get him out. Fight's on. I spray him with mace. It blows back in my face, and we just start going at it. That's true. I need to do something here in a second, 'cause I can't see crap, man.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine, man. It's I can't see. I can't see nothing, man. Way to pull them darts out of him, though.
I didn't understand the whole scenario of why we did the tank because I'm drunk. I'm the passenger.
Yeah, obviously you're drunk. That
I'm
don't
sorry.
matter. Sorry. I have the right to
sorry,
ask you to
sir.
step out of the vehicle. You refuse to get out. There's a loaded gun in there.
I apologize.
I'm worried
asking
about that
why.
fire for my safety. I explained to you why multiple times. You refuse.
110%.
Those darts still in him?
I understand.
I'm about to get 'em out.
110%.
Do what?
I understand 110%.
Oh, you called an ambulance?
I understand 110% that you was fearing for your safety.
Yeah, well then you should have done what I told you to.
I'm sorry, sir.
You are now.
Reaching up on you.
He wouldn't never would give me no information, refused to step out of the vehicle for me. I told him to get out. There's a loaded AR in the back seat. I told him to get out for officer safety. He refused. I told him multiple times that I don't have to. I'm a passenger. I said, under federal law, yes, you do have to get out. If I ask you to step out, I need you to step out of the vehicle. Still wouldn't get out. I opened the door, trying to pull him out, and the fight is on. Big old guy. It's going to be fake, Derrick. I'm going to go ahead and take it in my evidence. Yeah, I have to, because that's going to be my reason for why I told him to get out of that car, and he refused to. And I'm answering your question, ma'am. Yeah, I'm taking it with me. We're past that part now.
You've Got Bail is a social network built to do exactly what the name says, help get you out of jail. This is Phase 1, the Fifth Amendment Auto Plaque. I'm one of the co-founders, and once the technology is fully built out, you'll be able to sign up and be part of the network. Until then, this plaque is designed to help you protect your rights during a traffic stop. Because the reality is simple. Many traffic stops turn into investigations, and if you don't know what to do, it's easy to get caught up. This plaque gives you a clear system to follow. The key is consistency. Follow the steps. Don't improvise. Don't argue. This plaque is a tool, so use it like one. If you want one for yourself, there's a link in the description. Stand on your rights, stay calm, record everything. And if things still go wrong, you'll be in a much stronger position when it matters most in court. Again, if you want one, there's a link in the description to secure yours. Now back to the investigation. Following the incident, Officer Graham and Officer Long placed Samuel Hernekowitz under arrest. He was charged with assault on a police officer, 2 counts, and resisting arrest. Officers claim Mr. Hernekowitz struck an officer and failed to comply with commands. However, the Marion County District Attorney later dropped all charges against Mr. Hernekowitz. The DA cited a lack of reasonable likelihood of a conviction.
Can you spot the difference between these 2 weapons? Neither could Jasper police the night they stopped 2 people from running a stop sign.
The weapon was identified by Officer Graham as he's walking up to the vehicle. You saw that. And he shined his flashlight in the back area and observed the weapon. That's when he began to ask the defendant to step out of the vehicle for officer safety.
Raines referred to a federal court case, Pennsylvania versus Mims, concerning police authority to remove occupants from a vehicle at a traffic stop. He claimed that the defendant gave 4 false names when asked for his identity, one being his attorney in Dunlap. Sal is currently in jail on 2 counts for assaulting a police officer and refusal to comply.
Everybody would have done what they were supposed to do. She would have got a traffic citation. They would have done a field investigation, found out that was a BB gun, and everybody would have went home.
In August 2024, Samuel Hernekowitz filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Jasper, Officer Justin Graham, and Officer Derrick Long. The lawsuit alleges that Officer Justin Graham used excessive force by striking, pepper spraying, and tasing Mr. Hernekowitz, while Officer Derrick Long assisted in both the use of force and his restraint. It further claims that both officers violated Mr. Hernekowitz's 4th Amendment rights and failed to clearly explain why he was being detained before escalating to force. Officer Graham and Officer Long argue their actions were justified based on the situation they encountered. They point to the perceived presence of a firearm, Mr. Hernekowitz's intoxication, Mr. Hernekowitz's refusal to comply with commands, and Mr. Hernekowitz's use of false identification. Officer Graham's strike is described by the defense as a trained compliance technique.
Officers say they used a technique called brachial stun procedure.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
It's a technique that is taught when you have these type situations. It involves the officer using the soft part of his palm to strike the neck of the defendant to help gain compliance.
But police say because the defendant moved at the time of the blow,
instead of making contact with the neck, as you know, is taught in the procedure, he ended up making contact with the side of the defendant's head. But that, quite frankly, reaching across the defendant like that in the dark, you know, it's easy to see why, you know, it missed the target.
Her video shows him making a strike, but if you slow it down, he's hitting with this part of the hand right here, which is the fattiest, beatiest, softest part to keep from doing damage.
You know, the officer believed there was a live AR-15 assault rifle sitting in the back seat. If that had not been present, you know, it may have been an entirely different situation.
Both officers would maintain that the level of force used was reasonable under the circumstances. In January 2026, a federal judge dismissed the lawsuit, finding that officers Justin Graham and Derrick Long had probable cause to make the arrest. The court also ruled that the force used by both officers was objectively reasonable under the circumstances, and that they were protected by qualified immunity. Samuel Hernowitz would file an appeal, continuing to challenge the ruling. However, in April of 2026, the case was ultimately resolved through a confidential settlement, and the appeal was dismissed. The terms of the settlement, including the amount paid, were not publicly disclosed. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into a violent encounter shaped by assumptions, miscommunication, and rapid use of force. Officers Justin Graham and Derrick Long justified their actions based on a perceived threat and Mr. Hernowitz's failure to comply, yet that threat ultimately proved to be a BB gun, and every criminal charge against Samuel Hernowitz was later dropped due to a lack of evidence. The incident raises a fundamental question: how quickly should force be used when the situation is still unclear? In this case, the decision to escalate from commands to pepper spray to a strike to a taser happened within moments, before any clear explanation was given to the person being detained. Despite the level of force used, the courts ultimately ruled that Graham and Long acted within the bounds of the law, finding their actions objectively reasonable and shielding them under qualified immunity. The case concluded not with a public trial or admission of wrongdoing, but with a confidential settlement, leaving key details including the amount paid undisclosed. In the end, the legal outcome and the visual evidence tell two very different stories. One is a legal conclusion that the officer's actions were justified. The other is a video showing a confused man repeatedly asking a simple question: "What did I do wrong?" and receiving force instead of an answer. That tension is what continues to make this case so compelling and so controversial.
Because I would.
It's Tennessee. You're allowed to have guns,
I know,
but you got to put yourself in our shoes. And the way he was acting, we didn't know what his intentions were.
My brother-in-law's papa wouldn't get anything bad on y'all, and I know that. I know. I wish that I
mean, this could have been a citation. Y'all been on y'all's way.
No, I'm so sorry.
Go ahead.
Don't blame y'all for what y'all did. Y'all have a job to do. People get arrested because they're stupid. People wouldn't be stupid. You wouldn't have to do your job.
I mean, you heard me. All I asked was for his identification. You don't know if people have that. I mean, he could have had a warrant for outstanding murder charges for all I know. I don't know him. You know what I mean?
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to identify him for my safety and my partner's safety.
I understand.